Alright. I wanna You know how to lean, right? In this game. QE?
Yeah, it's like destroy mouse. and
Oh,
then
yeah.
leaning.
Yeah. Okay, so it's like a hidden function, right? But basically, you go to your syswow 64, right? If you're on a 64-bit operating device or operating system. And like you go into the folders and you rename all of them, and then you add the extension .png at the end. Okay.
Oh, really?
Make sure they all save as images. Yeah.
Oh, yes. You can see the wall hacks.
Yes. You can see
Yes.
through the walls. Yes. Don't worry. Syswow 64 is just a code name for Siege. The Sys is Siege. WoW is World of Warcraft, and the 64 is for 4 times. So 6666.
Oh, yes.
And if you multiply that together, you'll get 36 times 36, okay?
Yeah.
So you understand now?
Yes. Thank you for enlightening me.
Yeah, no problem, bro. You said system.out.print delete system32. Array list remove system32. Fucking hate Miss Dusting's class, dude.
Everyone knows.
Who do they? Oh, somebody left. Oh, look, there's Raw. My bitch Costa Rican. Oh, there's 2. What? Wait.